Thai dishes. My family gonna come and visit us here in Hua Hin Thailand. There are 10 people and I haven't seen them for 1.5 years, and I haven't seen them for 4.5 years.
4.5.
Yeah, so they are right now in Emmaboda in Sweden, in my hometown.
Now we're here at the train station and heading by train to the airport and then by plane, and then we're taking a minivan to Hua Hin. See you soon, Matilda!
Buy my family some welcome drinks, some fresh coconuts. I used to buy coconut from this lady every now and then, but today she got very surprised when I wanted to buy 12 coconuts. We are here in a little shop to buy some plates and glasses because it's not enough in the house we are renting, and of course a lot of water is needed. We are now at the house that my family gonna rent for 1.5 weeks, and I find this house pretty close to the beach. I think it's like 50 meters close to the restaurant and everything, and it even has a pool. So I think my family gonna arrive here in 20 minutes, so let's do a little house tour first. There are many new built houses in Hua Hin that you can rent, but they are all farther away. This old house was the only one I could find with walking distance to the beach and in the city, with a lot of restaurants and 7-Eleven just around the corner. Here we have the living room, pretty big, space to eat, a kitchen. Here is the water we went to buy for my parents. We put it in the fridge, so it's gonna be cold. Let's go and see the bedrooms. Me and Dam have been here before to check out the house before we booked it. This is gonna be my grandmother's bedroom on the bottom floor. Let's go upstairs. We have one more comment area and a small balcony. So let's go and check out the 3 bedrooms who are here on the upper floor. There's one pretty big, have air condition. And we was here to check the bed, and it was pretty hard, so we asked them if they lie here an extra mattress. Here's one more bedroom. A toilet. It looks fresh. And here one more. And all the bedrooms have air conditioning. So now I think my family will be here maybe 10 minutes. And yeah, as I said, I haven't seen them in a long time, so it's gonna be very fun to see them. And I didn't think I'd say who's gonna come. So it's my parents, my mom and dad, my sister and her boyfriend, their 2 children, and then also my aunt and 2 cousins. And then also, you're gonna come more family members. So 2 family friends gonna come tonight as well, and they're gonna stay in a hotel. And then tomorrow, my cousin, one more cousin, and her friend gonna come as well. I bought breakfast for them, and then I bought water, mosquito spray, just little things like this. Välkomna till Thailand! Vad gör ni här? Ja, fast hon delar kroppen. Många saker man inte gå över. Oj, vad långt det var. Hej! Kolla, det här är huset vi ska bo i. So I have some welcome drinks, some coconuts, fresh coconuts. Nice. Yeah. Nu kan vi pappa svalka. Åh nej, det här var bättre. Stann nu. Yang med det bra. Kokosnöt, tjejer. Skål allihopa!
Ja,
Skål! Välkomna till Thailand!
After the welcome drink, we took my family to Bangkok Pa because they are hungry after the long trip. And of course the kids wanted to swim in the pool before it was bedtime. Today me and my family are here at Hutsadin Elephant Foundation in Hua Hin. We're gonna shower the elephants and feed them, and here at the foundation they take care of ill elephants, maybe old elephants or elephants who have retired from hard work that they shouldn't do. Like for riding the elephant on the back with a thing you can put on it, it's not good for elephant, and many things like this, so they take care of mistreated and old and ill elephants here.
These are our super
Hur länge de här skötarna var här sitter bra så gott fram. Så han når inte riktigt, han är jätteförsiktig. How many bananas can you give them?
Oh, well, you can get as many as you want,
As
basically.
many as I want.
But you may want to spread it out, so we got bananas for the other
Okay,
two.
they get envy.
How many elephants?
We only
live
have
here?
four now. We used to have 5, but one passed away last year from one.
Each elephant eat every day between 150 kilo to 200 kilos of either banana, any other vegetables, banana trees and grass.
This is like salt, and as it constantly goes.
The reason why the elephant have chain around their foot is because otherwise they will break into the houses here and steal the food in the houses. So if they're gonna have the elephant loose, they need to have more funds to build like a big wall to have the elephant inside here, so they will not break into a house and steal people's food. But they really have a much better life here than they had before they came here. And they have to walk every day and everything, so it seems like they've been taken good care of here.
Ett blått och ett
This Elephant Foundation is a non-profit organization and they depend on the donation. So for us to feed elephant and shower the elephant, it was 600 baht per person and 300 baht for the kids. And if you want to walk with the elephant, like 20 minutes, go walk with them, I think it was 1,000 baht. You can read it on the website. I'll leave that in a link in the description below if you want to come here so you can have some information. Yeah, and we had a really good time. The kids really love to shower the elephants and feed them. And to also give some donation, they sell like bracelets. So the kids got one bracelet each as well. It was 300 baht, but everything goes to the elephant, and it costs a lot of money to have like an elephant, so they really need donations. So if you're here in Hua Hin and want to come to support the elephant, come here to this foundation and pet the elephant and give them some food. So everybody in the family except me and Moa, my sister, took the Grab home and we went to buy some food, some different Thai dishes, noodles, some probably panang, something with coconut, and another, I don't know the name. Me and them used to go buy it here, and it's just like big pans. You can buy a lot of different foods. So I buy it for my family to try, and also some sticky rice and chicken for the children. All this dinner cost us 225 baht. You have to know where to buy the food if you want to have the good food and you want to have the cheap food. What did you think about the food?
Very good. Very nice.
Delicious. Gillade du maten? Var det gott? Luna, gillar du kycklingen, va?
Yes.
She likes the chicken.
I like that.
Va? Gillar du kycklingen?
Jag vill kyckling.
Today we are at Nong Kae beach in the Khao Takiap area. You have some sunshines over there in the shadow, and now we're here eating some lunch. I take some pancake for once. Good to mix all the Thai food with something else. One must when you come to Hua Hin is to have a real seafood dinner on some of the restaurants along the sea. Once again I went to buy my family some real Thai food. Some of Dam's family came to the house to hang out and swim in the pool. In this family, it's always someone that gets thrown into the water against their will. Another day, and it was my turn to get thrown in the pool. And this day, it was Tak's turn. Today me and Dam bought some khao soy to make my grandma and my sister try it, and it seems like they like it. What, do you like it? Delicious. Here we are at the pier market in Hua Hin for some dinner. In the next video we are going on a family trip to Kanchanaburi with my family of 10 and Dam's family of 50 people. So we basically rented a whole resort and enjoyed 24 hours there, and the day after we went to Area 1 waterfall. Thank you for watching this video, and we see you in the next video on the way to Kanchanaburi.